and all ayahs.
Friends, welcome to my channel. As Indians are going to stay locked inside their homes for the next 2 weeks, and it is the first week of April, the temperature is also higher outside. That is why so many people have reduced the temperature inside their homes. And an unexpected question occurred in their mind: does air conditioner increase the risk of bringing coronavirus indoors? Please stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Hope you will get your answers and your doubts will be clarified. According to the experts, home AC does not create any additional risk to COVID-19 infections, especially at times when people fall apart inside their homes without any external contact. However, it can spread within those places that are centrally air conditioned, such as shopping malls and some modern apartments, especially if an infected person is inside such places. So I would always recommend to use outside air as much as possible, and please try to avoid the returned reused air. Most of the time it is the contaminated one, and I hope people, you are missing this comfort zone, but everything is in your hands. Chances to come close with the contact of an infected person, then you can always turn on your AC, not an issue. Then people are having one more doubt: is coronavirus airborne? No, this virus is not airborne. In the same way, the virus causes the common cold and flu. It is just that if a person sneezes, a thick spray is formed when a virus is in the air, but it does not float around in the air. It settles on the surfaces and can stay there for a very little, and can stay over there for a very long time, as told by Samud Chowdhury, an epidemiologist, IIT Bombay. He warned to stay away from the crowded places because they can expose to an infected person. And research has shown that the virus was more stable in low temperature and low humidity environments. For SARS-CoV-2, which is not well understood yet, researchers at Purdue University in the US studied the air conditioning system on the Diamond Princess, a 3,700 passenger cruise that was put on lockdown off the coast of Yokohama after a passenger landed in Hong Kong. According to the Centers for Disease Control (CDC) report, 46.5% of the passengers at Diamond Princess had infections at the time of. If a household uses an air conditioner, however, if a household uses an air conditioner split or window type, there will be no effect on the coronavirus transmission. For split type system, please open the window slide into the room. For window air conditioning system, if there is an option, please increase outdoor airflow rate. If not, please open the window slightly for outside air. And there is an organization called Federation of European Heating, Ventilation and Air Conditioning Association, REVA, which recommends building to switch on ventilation system round the clock as much as possible, or that the ventilation rate should be switched to low power to remove the virus particles from the building. REVA recommends that the toilets should have exhaust ventilation system on 24/7. However, windows in the toilet should not be kept open in such places, as it will encourage contaminated airflow from the toilet to other rooms. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time. Hope all your doubts have been subscribed our channel to get the next update. We'll meet soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.